The new F15 drone is a professional-grade quadcopter designed for serious aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. With a focus on advanced features and user-friendly control, this drone is a standout in its class. It features an impressive 8K HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal, a long-range 10 km control distance, and a unique 5.5-inch touchscreen remote controller. The F15 combines cutting-edge technology with smart flight modes, making it an excellent choice for capturing high-quality cinematic footage. Unmatched visual clarity and precision, the F15 is a marvel of technology, featuring a cutting-edge 3-axis gimbal 8K HD camera that captures every detail with clarity and precision. The gimbal provides superior stability, ensuring your footage is as cinematic as it is stable. The camera's wide-angle FOV of 80 degrees and aperture of f2.7 deliver a film-level HD output, making it perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial shots with professional-grade quality. Intelligent flight and navigation. With advanced GPS capabilities, the F15 offers a range of intelligent flight features. The GPS Smart Follow function allows the drone to automatically follow your mobile device, while the Image Follow feature identifies subjects and tracks them autonomously. The drone's ability to return to its starting point and navigate back home when the battery is low or the signal is lost ensures safe and reliable flights. These features, combined with the drone's 5.5-inch touchscreen remote, provide an intuitive and user-friendly experience for both novice and experienced pilots. Long-range flight and endurance. The F15 offers an impressive control distance and Wi-Fi image transmission distance of up to 10 kilometers. This allows you to explore vast areas and capture footage from a great distance. The modular battery design provides an extended flight time of about 30 minutes, and a charging time of about 4 hours ensures you can get back in the air quickly. The drone's lightweight construction, at just 240 grams, also contributes to its long flight time. Robust and user-friendly design. The drone's arms are foldable, making it compact and easy to carry. The 5.5-inch touchscreen remote controller is a significant upgrade, providing a seamless user experience without the need for a separate smartphone. The drone also includes a comprehensive set of accessories, such as spare propellers and a screwdriver, ensuring that you are well equipped for any flying scenario. Smart Black technology. The F15 is packed with smart features that open up new creative possibilities. It includes trajectory flight for predetermined flight paths, center point flying to orbit a specific goal, intelligent identification for gesture-based photo taking, and a headless mode for simplified control, allowing you to focus on your shot rather than the drone's orientation. In summary, the new F15 drone is a professional and versatile quadcopter that stands out with its high-end camera, advanced GPS capabilities, and innovative touchscreen remote control. Its combination of a powerful 3-axis gimbal, intelligent flight modes, and a long-range flight distance makes it a top-tier choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. Whether you are a hobbyist looking to upgrade or a professional seeking a reliable tool, the F15 is an excellent investment that will help you capture breathtaking cinematic footage with ease and confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.